2,
Okay, now
1.
Quiet. Hello guys. Today we will be starting a new topic. So as in my previous videos, I hope you guys watch them. Well, you should. I've been talking about addition and subtraction, and today we will be going on to our next topic, which is multiplication. Okay, multiplication is very easy as far as I know, but there are many strategies, and I'll teach you the standard strategy in this video. If it seems any hard, leave any comments in the comment sections, or questions in the comment section, and I'll try my best to help you guys out. And in some other videos, I'll be showing you some other strategies for multiplication too. So in this video today, we will be doing single digit and double digit multiplication. There's actually some ways when I mean that. I'll show you guys throughout the video. Okay, so let's start off with an easy problem. What is 9 times 2? Okay, 9 times 2. This is our problem. How do we do 9 times 2? Well, how you do 9 times 2, there's multiple ways, but the way you should really know, the easiest way I recommend, is to know your times tables. Times tables, I'll be teaching them in another video too, part by part. So it's 2 times table, 3 times table, 4 times table, and so on and so forth until 12 or 20. I didn't decide yet. Anyway, the easiest way to do these types of questions is to know your times tables. So 9 times 2, according to the 2 times table or the 9 times table, is 18. So that's mostly the answer. That's pretty much all you can do, unless there is another strategy. What you can do, it's almost pretty much like the finger strategy. So when you have the bottom number like this, it's up to you to choose. It's up to you to choose in a situation like this. But with your bottom number here, so your bottom number, you can decide what you want to do with this. You can either make this as your in the array form. So you do 1, 2, and then that's 2. Okay, so 2 rows. Two rows. And then you want 2 columns. Now you want 9 rows. So what do you do 9 rows? This one over here, the left dot, that also counts as your one of the 9 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 in the first column is done. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now let's move on to our next column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we're done both columns and rows. Now your final step is to count them. So start counting them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. See what I mean? So what I mean in this way is there's a strategy with the array form. That's the one I usually use that's the one I used when I started. That's what I did. So I did the array like this. So 2 rows, or what you can do I'm not going to show it, but you can do 9 dots like this. 9, 1, 2, 3, like this. And then you can do 1, 2 rows like that. That is also one way. But so basically this is the array form, and I'll be sharing the other strategies on my other videos, just to show you an easy way how to do it. So now this is our single digit. And now let's move on to our double digit. Single digit times double digit. Single digit times double digit is also very easy if you also know your times tables. So if you don't really know your times tables, I recommend to practice them and then move on to the strategy. Well, that's what I say, or it's okay. I'll show you one more strategy that's very easy to for this in the video. Let's do 12 times 2. Okay, 12 times 2. So the way how you can do this, first one is to know your times table. So 12 times 2 in the 2 times table or in the 12 times table. Or what you can do, if you're not really familiar with your times tables, you can do it the array form and break it up part by part. So when I mean something like this, you start off like this. You do it like this. So 12 times 2. Okay. So 2 times 2. See what I mean? Part by part. So I'm doing it units, and I mean the ones and then the tens. So 2 times 2. What you can do for this, so do your array. 1, 2, 2 rows. 1, 2. How many dots are there? There are 4 dots. So 4 is the ones place answer. Now let's move on to our tens. When you move on to your tens, the bottom number is always going to multiply it. So 2 times 1. See? 2 times 1. 2 times 1. The ones table is actually very easy. I'll teach you guys it right now. In the one times table, all you do is multiply the same number. So you have something like 3 times 1 equals 3. So any question like 999 times 1 is 999. So remember that whenever you're doing the 1 times table, you don't really have to do anything. Whatever your answer is, whatever number you're multiplying 1 against, that's your answer. So 2 times 1. 2. See what I mean, guys? So 24. That is basically the answer for this question. So the array form I showed you guys right now, this is one of the ways I used to do it when I was small and how I started. So I recommend you guys also to do it if you're not very familiar with your times tables. Although if you do know your times tables, it will be very easier. So basically that's it throughout this video, and I hope you guys got something and learned something so far. So if you have any other video, you can ask me in in the comments section, and I will answer them and try my best to help you understand them. And thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel to understand to learn more mathematics skills. And if you want any other strategies for multiplication, double digit times single digit, or single digit times single digit, I will have some links that I will later put in my description. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and yeah.